Hello everyone, my name is Macy and I'm from the ITR tech support team, and I would like to introduce you to intherooms.com and the main features of the website. Here you can see the front side where you can log in. If you have problems at this point already, then please try to use your email address instead of your member name and your password. So I'm going to log in now. Click log in. Okay, here we are. At this point you can see the front website, the so-called news feed. It's a bit comparable to Facebook news feed, if you know that. Here you can see the status updates of your friends, of the people you are friends with. At the moment there will be probably no one yet, as you are new to ITR. When you click on my profile, you come to your own profile page. Here people can leave you messages, and you can see your friends. Here is a very important feature, the burning desire. So if you at one point have a burning desire and need support from others, turn that button on, and then everybody, not only your friends but everybody on ITR, will see you have a burning desire, and they will try to contact you. Okay, and let's go back to the front side. So here you can see some people. Let's click on the anniversaries here. Here, this is one of my friends, so I can't add him as friend. I can add to favorites, but if he wasn't my friend, I could send him a friend request now, and then that would pop up on his notifications. This is the yellow triangle here up. When we click on that, we can see past notifications that I had. From today, I had 2 comments on my profile. Yesterday, people liked my status, left me comments, and commented my status update. And this is the first thing that I'm going to show you. Here you can update your status. You click on that. You can type in a text here, or you can click on share a picture. Here you would browse to a picture, or you can even post a video from YouTube, and this is the line where you would post your video link. I'm gonna update my status now. Okay, and then we click share. So this is up. So all my friends can see my status now on their news feed. You know, when you click here on the logo, that is the news feed. And when you click on profile, that is your profile page. So if I want to message one of these people here, let's look at this. Here you have, under his status update, you have send I am. So I can click on that, and up pops a little chat box where I can send a little hello to this friend of mine. So he gets my instant message. And there we can message each other. If I click on his profile now, and click on private message, this is something else. This is like a direct message that would be coming up on this envelope here. Here I could send him a message and click on send. That would actually land up in his inbox. The difference is that the little chat box on the bottom is deleted regularly and it is instant message, so that it can see instantly, or they can reply instantly. And the direct message is in your inbox here, where I just clicked. And here you can see all the instant messages I have got. And they are kept until you delete them. So this concludes the little introductory video for ITR. Welcome, and hope you enjoy the stay.